Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an online magazine. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and type publu.com. Once in the website, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Magazine Maker option. From there, select Make Your Magazine Now to get started. The first step is to register on the website. You'll need to enter your name, email address and password, or you can sign in with your Google account. Once you've registered, you can either upload your PDF or go with the sample. Next, it's time to customize the magazine. From the left-hand menu, you can access various options to personalize it. You can click on Name and Description to edit your magazine title and add a description. Under the Background section, you can choose a background color or upload an image from your computer. If you want to add your logo, click on Add Logo, remove the existing one if needed, and upload your own logo, which will appear in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also customize the menu by clicking on Menu, where you can edit the available options or enable and disable features. If you'd like to add a password to your magazine, click on Security to do so. For those who want to include a lead form, you can enable it under Lead For. Additionally, the Preferences section allows you to adjust settings like page shadows or Google Index preferences. Once you're satisfied with all the customizations, click on Share. This will generate a link to your online magazine. Simply copy the link and you'll be able to open and share your magazine online. And that's how you can create an online magazine. Thank you for watching.